Hi, I'm Robin Anderson, the operations manager here at Weeki Wachee Springs State Park, and we're getting ready for our 2026 season. We've got a couple special things to show you, just like our newest addition here at Compass Cove. Discover our newly improved area at Buccaneer Bay, Compass Cove. This beautiful new turf lounge area features over 90 comfortable loungers with plenty of shade so our guests can relax and enjoy the day. Whether you prefer soaking up the sun or unwinding in the shade, Compass Cove offers the perfect place to kick back between swims. Guests can also rent one of our private cabanas for an upgraded, relaxing experience. Visit weekiwachee.com to reserve a cabana and make the most of your day at Weeki Wachee. Stop by the Lost Treasures Trading Company for all your water park essentials. If you forgot your sunglasses, sunscreen, or other swimming necessities, we've got you covered. From must-have sun protection to beach items, it's the perfect place to grab what you need for a great day at the park. Swing in and stock up before heading back out in the water. Stop by the Sea Dog Cafe for a quick bite or refreshing treat during your visit. We offer a wide variety of favorites, including ice-cold soft drinks, Starbucks and Dunkin' coffee, ice cream, chips, and other snacks. Hungry for something more? Enjoy our chicken sandwiches, hamburgers, hot dogs, wraps, crispy french fries, and plenty of other tasty options. It's the perfect stop to refuel and relax before heading back out for more fun.
Here's a pro tip from a Weeki Wachee mermaid. Be sure to download our free Friends of Weeki Wachee app to get showtimes and hours of operations, along with push notifications about closures due to weather-related issues or when the park hits capacity. Hope to see you here at your next visit.